Everybody together. Bend the knees. Grab the knees from the behind, stepping on all 5 fingers of each hand. Stepping on all 5 fingers of each hand. Little pinky finger touching each other side by side. Peg under, elbows back. Behind the legs only calf muscle, everybody. Hold the knees as hard as possible. Lift your hips up now. Push the knee back. Stretch the body down the lower spine towards the floor. Touch your stomach on your thighs. Chest on the knee. Face on the leg below the knee. So from the side, your body should like a Japanese hand sandwich, no gap anywhere. Now continuously keep pulling. Pulling is the object of stretching. Look at your own legs. You should not pull your hip. Lift your hips up. Push the knee back. Lock the knee. Add your own legs, my friend. Exhale, breathing. Lock the knee. Touch your face. Lock the knee. Last chance. Stay there. Shoulder and change. Arms and head together. Come up with the stomach in. Stretch up to the ceiling, everybody. Exhale, arms down by your side and completely relaxed. Breathe up towards the ceiling, absolutely straight line. And the body to the right quickly. Push the hip to the left. Push, 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 push. Everybody feel the setting. Fantastic, everybody. Hips forward. Good one, Vishwanath. That's the nice one. Left hip forward. Right shoulder forward. Opening up the chest. Bring the chin up. Give the happy smiling face. Everybody together. Come down and push, push, push. Take a deep breath. Stretch up again, touch the ceiling, absolutely straight line. Bend the body to the left side. Continuously push the hips to the right. Feel the stretching is happening. And push, push, push. Second backward bending. Take a deep breath. Drop your head back. Look at the floor behind you as far as it goes. All together. Come on, Vishwanath. Arms back. Come on, Vishwanath. Immediately go and touch the wall behind you. Come on, my friend. Look at the wall. Look at the wall. Now touch the wall. Now push the stomach. Right. Hips everything forward. Everybody head back. Arms back. Pull back. Go back. Way back. More back. Exhale. Go down with the stomach. Slowly place your hands on the floor and move your hips right and left several times. Come on, over. Shake it up. Spread it out, everybody. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Feel the stretch is happening from the both sides this time, okay? Give me the good one, everybody. Pull the knee harder. Place the hands underneath the heels first. Invisible hands, elbows back behind the legs on the calf muscle. Please don't lose the grip. Otherwise, make it. Pull the knee as hard as possible. Lift your hips up. Press on the knee, face on the legs below the knee. No room for the air, no room for the light. Very nicely. Continuously keep pulling. Lift your hips up. Come on, Rocky. Push the knee back. Less talking, Rocky. More hard work. Push the knee back, lock the knee. Exhale, breathing, lock the knee. Come on, touch your face with the legs. Everybody lift your hips up. Body weight on your toes. Come on, roll forward. Lock the knee. Lock the knee. Lock the knee. Change. Arms and head together. Come on with the stomach in. Arms up. Stretch up. Wait for me. Arms down by your side. And completely. थोड़ा सा मिरर तोड़ दीजिए.
मुझे थोड़ा मिरर देखना जरूरी है. तो ही होगा.
Arms down by your side. Bring them down. Everybody next is the awkward posture of the Tadasana. Focus, please. Please focus, everybody. Focus on me, okay? So they closer, more. Everybody exhale, breathing, stomach in, hold it. Sit on the chair, feet flat position. 100% body weight on the heels. Lift the chest up. Bend your spine back, bending the upper body back. My friend, everybody, suck your stomach in. Stomach in. Ribcage visible. Open the knee 6 inches gap. Bring the feet, knees, elbows, and hips back. Fall back. More back. Inhale, come up. Now come on the top of the toes, maximum like a ballerina. Stretch your spine, head, chest, higher on the toes. Like imagine you're wearing a high heels like a ghost. Come on the top, raise the whole. Upper body back all the way down. Down. Stopping at halfway. Everybody hips should go down below the chair. Hips sit down on the chair. Inhale. Lean down, arms up. Yeah. Last chance, arms up. Lift your hips up. Arms parallel, spine straight. Stomach in. Sit down slowly with your neighbor. With the stomach in, Marina. That's what I want. Stomach in. All the way down. Gently sit down. Fantastic. You're moving. Everybody keep your arms parallel to the femur. Lift your hips up. Arms parallel. Spine perfectly straight. Hold it. Inhale. Come back slowly. Knees together. And now chin. Right leg back. Feet together. Feet don't move.
Yes.
So look at your arms and
this is important.
Bring for water
After this.
Which is right and the left leg, don't mix them up. Your arms and twist them like cross. Hands palms together. Make your perfect eagle. Feet together. Come on, my muscular right back row. Try. Feet together. Sit down. On the chair with the knees together, upper body back. Left leg lift up. Bring it to the right leg as high as possible. Put the left foot behind the right calf muscle now. Behave like the eagle. Full concentration. Don't move. Don't even blink your eyes. Keep stretching up your spine, lift the chest up, pull the elbows down, chest up, weight under Vishwanath, shoulders down, more stomach in, stomach in, stomach in, stomach in, and change. Arms up, arms together, stretch up to the ceiling. Second set, everybody, quick one, right arm to the left arm. Cross it, twist it, hold down, shoulders down, sit down. Upper body back, spine straight. Right leg up, bring it over the left leg. Very nice. Full focus. It doesn't matter what happens around you. You should be like a solid. You have to perform your own balance. Upper body back, stretching up your spine. Knees to the right. That's it. Body to the left. Suck the stomach in. Don't let your belly come out. Stomach in. Put the elbows down. Come on, shoulders down. Sit down. Sit down. Very nice posture, Rocky. Sit down. Body back. And 10. Arms up. Palms together. Stretch up to the
के बाद ही भाई उसके पहले क्लास के पहले भी अभी तो बहुत है ना थोड़े से बाकी है ना और
अभी तो बेस्ट
आप लोग यार प्लीज व्यू क्लियर कर
तो आधे चल उधर भी चले जाना
हां
थोड़ा बहुत
2, 3 inches below the toes. All 5 is facing the ceiling. Focusing the front mirror on the left leg. All together, all together, all together, all together. Your left leg is absolutely locked to be done. All together. You don't have the knee. Balance. Now, flex the fibers in turning to separate. Try to keep your both knees are locked from the side. Your both legs should look like upside down and like a Linda. Bend your elbows down. Elbows touching the calf muscle. Very good. Lock the knee, my friend. Elbows go down below the calf muscle. Stomach in. Hold it and change. Everybody. And grab the left foot in front of you. Exactly 2-3 inches below the toes. All 5 toes facing the ceiling. Focus in the front mirror on the right. All together. Focus. Don't move your eyes. Inhale with it. Left leg lift up. Stretch the left leg forward until the left leg is parallel to the floor. Kick the heel up. Bring the leg parallel back. It was in turning for separate. Very nice. Good pump curl. Both knees are locked. Bend your elbows down. Elbows touching the calf muscle. Pet under karo. Kick the heel out. Elbows go down below the calf muscle. Hold it. Lock your both knees quick couple of times. And change. Oh my God. Hands on the hips. A little bit backward bending. Bring your upper body back. Inside. 5 fingers together. Right hand up. Bring the right shoulder to the chin. Knees together to begin with. Point your back toe. Everybody together. 5 counts hold. Take a deep breath. Charge the body down forward to the front mirror. Simultaneously take the back leg up to the ceiling. Shoulder to the chin. Bring the right arm up here. Right arm up. Right arm up. Right arm up. My friend. Keep kicking the back leg up to the ceiling. 2 feet in one line. Keep struggling to shoulder in one line. Shoulder and scapula coming out of the body. Very nice posture to jaw. Body forward, stretch forward. Touch the mirror. Now down the knee. Kick the back leg up higher. Body forward. Very nice, Rocky. Go forward, stretch, kick. Come on, go forward, kick, kick, kick. Change. Feet together. Arms down by your side and step to the right. Arms down parallel to the floor. Keep your toes in like a pigeon toe. Try to get your both knees are locked. Exhale, breathe in, and you go down. Chin forward, look forward, all the way down. Grab the heel from the outside. Right hand under the right heel, left hand under the left heel. With the 5 fingers together. Please don't lose the grip. Pull your heel as hard as possible. Lift your hips up and push the knee back and stretch the body down from the lower spine towards the floor. Try to touch your forehead to the floor. When you can't touch your forehead, open the leg more. Come on, my friend. Come on, more, Dushi. More. Keep stretching. Lower back, total back. Whole back is stretching. Keep pulling more harder. Push the knee back. Lift the shoulders away from the ears. Bring the maximum body to the toes. Go forward. Stretch forward. Touch your forehead to the floor. Keep pulling and change. Come back in the same way. Right leg step back. Arms up. Everybody arms down by your side and relax. Breathe through the nose. Stay on the left, please. Knee, body back, spine straight. Come on, all the way down. Only arms movement. Touch the toes. Put your left hand fingertips between the big toe and the second toe. Look up to the ceiling. That's looking nice. Sit down, Vishwanath. Sit down. Sit on the left. Bend the left knee and sit down. Right hand down. Left hand, right hand up. Both shoulders stretching. Right heel forward, left knee back. Touch the toes. Right foot flat, right knee long, and then come back in. Right leg step back. Arms up. Arms down. And relax. Breathe through the nose. Everybody stomach in. Pet under, pet under, pet under, pet under. Forehead to the knee. Mata घुटने से लगाओ. With this forehead, there we go. Left hip up, right hip down. Take the 2 hips in one line. Floor chop. Suck the stomach in. More stomach in. Touch your forehead. More forehead to the knee. Stomach in. More, and change and come back to the same way. Down to the right. Right leg back. Arms down by your side and relax. Water break. One more push, then we have Shavasana.
Yeah.
Push the hips forward, upper body back. Balance. Stretch yourself up. Hold it over there. Keep sucking. Everybody together.
कहाँ घुस रहे भाई? कहाँ घुस रहे?
And change.
कहाँ घुस रहे?
Right leg down. Everybody left leg up. Bend the left leg and sit down. Balance on the fingertips from the sides. 50-50 balance. First left hand up in front of the chest. Let's see how many are there to get
Yes.
balance. Right hand up in front of the chest. Very nice, Marina. Hold it over there, my lord. That's a nice one. Stomach in very good. Come on, Pankaj. Hold it, my friend. And change. Come back in the same way. Everybody together. Left leg up. Put it all the way up. Knees touching the posture. Sole of the last one, everybody. Come on. Hips forward, upper body back. Come on, come on. Focus. Focus like a tree. Stop it. Stretch out. Right. Come on, Marina. Breathe through the nose. Close it now. Breathe through the nose. Let's focus on yourself. Hold it over there. And go down with the stomach if you're comfortable. Place your hands on the floor. Bend the right leg and sit down. Balance on the fingertips from the side. Left hand up in front of the chest. Right hand up in front of the chest. Very nice try, Dilip. Good vision. Hold it and change. Come back to the same. Good try,
अरे
everybody.
दिलीप
Very nice, Dilip. Turn around and lie down in Shavasana, everybody. Bring the ball down. The other person leg. I know your legs are looking good. Everybody second set. Say it a little bit faster than the first set. Feet together. Heels and toes touching each other. Everybody arms up. Interlock the thumb fingers. Release the index finger. Thumbs cross. Keep a nice tight.
बस मेरे पे कोई गिरना मत विभिन्न पवन मुक्त आसन
Everybody together. Wind removing force. Pavan Muktasana. Right leg bent. Interlock the 10 fingers. Hold the right leg inside the 2 inches below the knee. Pull the right knee down towards the right shoulder, avoiding the rib cage. Left leg straight. Left calf muscle is touching the floor. If is not flex the left foot. Pull down towards your chest to get the neck right on the floor. No gap underneath your neck. Pull the knee down with your extra arm. Maybe your hip joint want to be in the compression of the down in the wall. Knee down towards the right shoulder. Maybe come on, pull the knee down towards the right shoulder. Pull, my friend. Pull. You should not pull and right leg down. Left leg lift up. On the core. Very, very important posture for your digestive system. Pull harder. Shoulders down. On the floor. Eventually, or in the future, when you improve your skeleton system, your whole upper body, including the neck, should be flat on the floor. Keep your knees together like a guru. Shoulder down, bring the chin to the chest, stomach in. Pull down. Come on, pull and change. Arms down and legs down. Come facing up. Very nice. Just relax yourself. Breathe through the nose. Sit up, everybody. Keep your feet together. Flex the feet. Arms up, arms and head together. Inhale, breathing quick. Up. Exhale. Turn around, lie down on the stomach for the spine series. Everybody, Cobra Posture Bhujangasana. Place your hands and palms underneath the shoulder, facing the breathing. Come up. Lift the chest up. Bring the upper body back, stop in a half. Only the belly button touching the floor. Bring the belly button down. Elbows in touching with your body. Elbows down. Trapezius muscles visible in the front mirror. Lift the chest up. Elbows in, everybody. Bring the upper body up. Feet flat on the floor. Come up. Chest up. More up. Go up and change. Lotus posture Shalabhasana. Arms completely straight underneath the stomach, 5 fingers apart. Grab the floor with the head of the fingertips. So now what you have to do, sit down, take the 2 hips in a one line. Point your back toes. Everybody together lock the knee. Shoulders on the floor, leg up. Lock the knee, leg up. Everybody leg up and change. Now, relax the left leg, inhale, breathe in. Right leg up, everybody, left leg up, sorry. Point your toes. Lock the knee, everybody leg up more. Lock the knee, leg up more. Leg up more, hold it and change. Now head down, kiss the towel. Readjust your hands and palms. Everybody together. Without bending your arms and the legs, inhale, breathe in, both legs lift up. Little stronger, hard, go and touch the ceiling. Knees together, feet together. Very good, Dilip. Point your toes, put the shoulders on the floor. Very nice, Dilip. Leg up, leg up. Come on, we should not lift the legs up. Come on, you lift up, lift up, lift up. More up. Change. Breathe, breathe. Together, knees and toes touching each other. So give me the good flight. Where you want to go today?
America
London. No, only one place, please.
hello
Huh?
hello
Like everything is in there. Everybody 7:47 taking go to the Gujarat. Lift your legs up. Everybody take your arms up and back. Fingers in the same level. Look and lift the chest up. Mishuna. Chest up. Head up. Legs up. Look up. Go up. More up. Come up. Hey. Oh my God. Anurasana. Bend the knees and grab the feet 2 inches.
Mummy, help.
Whole back stretching.
Help.
Everybody together, keep the knees in, keep the feet in. So जो posture आके नहीं कर पा रही है, please आप दूसरों को ले लीजिए. Everybody together.
कोशिश करें.
कोशिश she doing it. She try. Point your toes. Grab it from here. Ready? Everybody up and look up.
Push.
Continuously keep kicking. Non-stop kicking. Arms straight. Arms straight. Vision up. Arms straight. Arms
Mandi,
straight.
pull.
Everybody together, look up to the ceiling. Roll forward like a wheel. Your feet is coming up in the middle of the body. Two like a two wheel in a one base. Everybody together, look up and kick up. Chest up and kick up. Look up and kick up. Kick, 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 and change. That's nice. Keep kicking. Vision up. You want one more try?
Bigger each other.
Palms on the floor. Hips on the floor, shoulders on the floor. Eyes open, breathing always normal. Chest up, chest up, chest up, and change. Come back the same way, slow. Sit down in the middle of the mat with the knees and the feet touching each other side by side. Come on. Arms up. First is the forehead, then is the pinky finger touching the floor. Rest of the arms in the air. Now, drop your hips back on the heel. That's it. Chest on the knees, forehead on the floor. Eyes open, breathing always normal. Your scapula coming out of the body, shoulders are supposed to be up. Push your hips back on the heel. Suck the stomach in, stretch. Stretch for more. Keep your arms nice and tight. Stretch. Arms is lock position. Stretch, 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 and change. Come back in the same way. Arms and head together. Stretch up. Arms down by your side. Turn around and lie down in Shavasana. Quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2. Body back. Stop in a halfway. Right hand go down, grab the right hip. Left hand go down, grab the left hip. Thumb outside, forefinger inside. Very nice. Inhale, eyes open, exhale, breathing. Push the stomach, leg, hips, thighs, everything forward from mirror. I want 360-degree backward bending for breath position. Keep it. Push more. Chest up. Push everybody. Push and change. Slowly, gently come on. Sit down for the rapid push of Shavasana. Last one, everybody. Come on, almost there. Keep it. Ready? Everybody, chin to the chest. Suck your stomach in. And you go down, touch your forehead and the knee. The top of the head is automatically touching the floor. Exhale, breathing. Pull the knees and lift your hips up as high as possible. Nice posture. Come on, give it a good one. As high as possible until your arms is straight position. Very nice posture, please. Keep your feet good one, everybody. You did very nice, fantastic. Come on, Pankaj. Keep your heels together. Heels together. Come on, Raki. Lift your hips up. Roll forward like a wheel. Come on, feet together. Hips up. Hips up. Hips up. Change. Sit down, everybody. Chin come with the hands. Turn lie down in Shavasana. Quickly. Up to the right and grab the right foot exactly 2 inches below the toes. All 5 toes facing the ceiling. Flex the foot, tuck the chin, that's it. Now suck the stomach and you go down. Touch your forehead to the knee. Forehead to the knee. Bend your elbows down next to the calf muscle. Left elbow down, left shoulder down. Forehead to the knee. Bend the left leg to chin. Kick the heel up. Recognize the leg. Push the forehead to the knee. Suck the stomach in. Kick. Come on, forehead to the knee. Kick. Forehead to the knee. Kick and change. Almost there, Vinay. Right leg bend, left leg out. Turn to the left and grab the left foot exactly 2 inches below the toes. All 5 toes facing the ceiling. Wait under, okay?
Eight under.
Grab the foot. Come on.
Eight under.
Come on, everybody. Almost there.
Yeah.
Bend your elbows down next to the calf muscle. Left shoulder down, left elbow down. Keep
ऐसे
going
पकड़.
inside, Pankaj. Keep going inside. Forehead to the knee. Forehead to the knee. Bend your elbows down. Shoulder down. Forehead to the knee, roll in and change. Both legs together. Lie down on your back, arms and head together. Inhale, breathe in, breathe up. No talking.
एक और है.
Back, walk back. Everybody together, Paschimottanasana. Now, pull the toes until the knee come up in the air. Stretch your spine, head, chest, everything up.
आजा.
Lock the knee. Everybody exhale, breathing. Suck your stomach in and you go down. Stomach on the thighs, come on girls, chest on the knees, touch your face on the left side. Look, then keep pulling in. Keep your knees together, feet together. Very nice, Pankaj. Pull hard, achieve forward. Come on, look back behind you. Upper body back and twist. Keep your spine straight. Exhale, breathing, twist. Everybody twist. All back, twist and change. Sit down in a Japanese style, everybody.
Yes.
Keep your knees
Last.
together, feet flat, spine straight, shoulder light, swallow bubble tiny.
Yeah.
Only exhale through the mouth at the same time. You have to suck your stomach in.
बढ़िया नीचे.
Ready?
मजा आ गया.
Everybody together. Arms are locked, spine is protected straight. Take a
कौन सा
long
चैनल?
inhale.
न्यूज़ 24 लेट आ रहे हो? इनसे ट्रांसफर मार लो.
And start. Stomach in, stomach in, stomach in, everybody. The maximum progression of the abdominal wall. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Second set, little faster than the first set. Keep your spine straight, shoulder relaxed. Take a long inhale. All together. Start. Through the mouth. Through the mouth. Starting, no shoulder movement, only stomach. Only stomach. Only stomach. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and very nice, everybody. Fantastic job.
ट्रांसफर मार लो अभी. इंटरनेशनल योगा डे पर सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक देना चाहूँगी. हैप्पी योगा डे. एंड यही कहूँगी कि योगा से ही होगा. मतलब आपका मोटापा जो दूर होगा, सारी बीमारियाँ दूर होगी, योगा से ही होगा. मैं मनदीप के हॉट योगा में योगा करती हूँ और मैंने भी अपना पूरा जो वज़न है हॉट योगा में कम किया है. और ये मनदीप जो है, मनदीप जी हमारी योगा गुरु हैं. देखिए मैं सारा खाना खाती हूँ, वेज नॉन वेज एवरीथिंग मैं खाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं मेरा सारा फैट जो है हॉट योगा में आके बर्न करती हूँ. मैंने इतनी जिम करी, इतना वेट ट्रेनिंग किया, इतना स्पिनिंग किया, बट मेरा वेट कभी लूज़ नहीं हुआ. फिर मैंने योगा में आई और योगा में आने के बाद आप देख सकते मेरी बॉडी अभी कितनी स्लिम ट्रिम हो गई है. तो योगा से ही मेरा वेट चला गया. मैं खाना सब खाती हूँ.
ओके सो अगर आप योगा को उठाएंगे तो उसके अंदर आपको इतने ज़्यादा योगा दिखाई देंगे. पावर योगा होता है, अष्टांग योगा होता है, विन्यासा योगा होता है. तो हर एक किसी का अपना एक एक्सपर्ट लेवल है, कहाँ पे उन्होंने सीखा है और किस तरह की योगा वो करते हैं. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा ये मानना है कि हर तरह का योगा बहुत अच्छा होता है, लेकिन आई एम स्पेशलाइज्ड इन हॉट योगा क्योंकि मैंने जो अपना डिग्री जो किया है मैंने LA से किया है. और जब मैं वहाँ से इधर मुंबई में सिखाने आई, so I think I have seen lots of changes in my members while doing yoga. क्योंकि इतना स्ट्रेस रहता है इनका लाइफ, जो मेरे सेलिब्रिटीज़ रहते हैं बेसिकली, और जो यहाँ के मुंबई के जो लोग हैं,
नवाजुद्दीन, एकता कपूर से लेकर सभी सेलिब्रिटीज़ यहाँ पे आते हैं.
इतना उनका स्ट्रेस लेवल रहता है बिकॉज दे शूट एवरी डे. और उनका लोग जो मेरे खुद के जो मेंबर्स हैं उनका काम का इतना हेक्टिक रहता है, तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं पे एक ऐसी चीज़ मिल जाती है कि वो एक 75 मिनट्स का योगा कर लेते हैं ना, तो उनका पूरा स्ट्रेस निकल जाता है बॉडी का. सो हॉट योगा में यही फ़र्क है कि जब हम योगा 41 डिग्री टेम्परेचर में करते हैं तो इट गिव्स यू द सो मच कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. इट गिव्स
स्पेशली इनका देखिए, अभी ये नेता है एनसीपी के, तो इनको कितना स्ट्रेस है. सब जगह आपस में लड़ रहे, बीजेपी ये वो, तो वो भी लड़ रहे हैं. इनको कितना स्ट्रेस है, यहाँ पे आके इनका पूरा स्ट्रेस निकलता है. ये विश्वनाथ जी है, इनसे भी पूछिए.
इन्होंने अभी ज्वाइन किया है.
हाँ, 1 महीना हो गया.
बहुत अच्छा हॉट योगा है. मैं अभी दूसरी मेरा क्लास है ये, क्योंकि मैं वही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि सब लोग योगा करते हैं, मगर ये जो हॉट योगा है, ये स्पेशली योगा है, ये बहुत बढ़िया है. अपना हेल्थ के वजह से हर जगह योगा होते हैं, मगर ये इनका मंदिर जी का जो योगा है वो डिफरेंट योगा है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है.
ये डिफरेंट योगा भी है. और आप देख सकते हैं हम लोग किस टाइप के कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनते हैं. हॉट, इसे कहते हैं हॉट कॉस्ट्यूम, जिसमें हॉट बॉडी हो जाती है, इसलिए हॉट योगा है. 40 डिग्री में हीट में हम लोग योगा करते हैं और हम सबके कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऐसे ही होते हैं, इसीलिए ताकि जो स्किन के पोज खुले, स्किन अच्छी ग्लो करे.
बहुत बड़ा रूमर है लोगों के मन में कि हम जो हॉट योगा के अंदर हैं या छोटे कपड़े पहनते हैं या सेलिब्रिटीज़ आते हैं वो अपने दिखाने के लिए आते हैं. पहली बात मैं ये आई थिंक आपके ज़रिए लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि हम लोग हॉट योगा में छोटे कपड़े इसलिए पहनते हैं बिकॉज इज़ वेरी हॉट इनसाइड. Okay, and once we
Suffocation
sweat out,
होता है.
once we sweat out, so make sure our sweat goes on the towel, not in our clothes. और उसकी वजह से, एंड उसमें क्या रहता है कि जितना आप अपने आप को मिरर में देखते हो ना, द मोर यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर ओन बॉडी पार्ट्स, और उसको आपको अंदर करने में, स्क्वीज करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलती है। आपने भी देखा है, आप अंदर गए हैं तो आप इतने ज़्यादा मेंटली आप देख ही नहीं पाते हो किधर, आपको सिर्फ अपनी तरफ ही रहता है कि अरे मेरे को हेडेक फील हो रहा है या मेरे को स्वेट आउट हो रहा है। दैट्स द ओनली रीज़न। वंस यू एंटर इन द योगा रूम ना, यू फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग कि व्हाट काइंड इज वेयरिंग व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स, सो दैट डजंट मैटर एट ऑल।
एंड शी इज मरीना एक्ट्रेस, पहले ये बहुत मोटी थी, योगा में आके देखिए कितनी स्लिम हो गई है।
सिर्फ राखी की वजह से, वो भी लाइक पहले मैं सच में बिग बॉस जब 9 किया था मैंने, तो मुझे याद है कि मुझे किसी ने बुलाया था कि ओ गॉड तुम कितनी भैंसी दिख रही थी। मेरा शिट,
बिग बॉस में थी शी वाज।
बिग बॉस 9, तो आई थॉट कि ओ माय गॉड मैं इतनी भैंसी दिखती हूँ, तो चलो लेट्स ट्राई। तो फिर बहुत जिमिंग किया, लॉट्स ऑफ वेट ट्रेनिंग, बट उससे भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। फिर एक दिन मैंने राखी को बोला, यार तुमने किया क्या, कोई सर्जरी वर्जरी करा के आई हो क्या कि इससे इतनी पतली हो गई हो? कहती हाँ ले चलती हूँ तुम्हें भी
ऐसी
मैंने,
सर्जरी
यार,
में ले चलती हूँ, चलो।
हाँ, मैंने बोला
मैंने कहा ऐसी सर्जरी में तुम्हें ले चलती हूँ, चलो।
फिर उसके बाद सीधा ये यहाँ पे लेके आ गई, बिकॉज मैं मनदीप को पहले जानती थी बट मैं कभी आई नहीं। फिर उसके बाद अंदर बंद कर दिया इन्होंने मुझे। अब बंद करने के बाद ऐसी लत लग गई है कि वो छूटती ही नहीं।
अभी नींद से हम जागते हैं तो सीधा चल के आ जाते हो ऑटो योगा में, और ट्रस्ट मी के हाँ
मतलब मेरे को इतना लाइक यू नो होता है कि आप ये सब चीज़ करने से ना आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी बहुत हाई हो जाता है। यू फील वेरी लाइक कि हाँ, मतलब एक होता है ना कि आप लगता है कि मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ लाइफ में।
और मुझे बहुत दुख होता है कि सब कहते हैं अरे राखी सावंत ने सर्जरी करा ली, लैपो करा लिया, ये करा लिया, बट उनको पता नहीं है। मेरी गुरु यहाँ है, इनको पूछो कि मैं 2 योगा करती हूँ।
करवाया भी होगा तो बहुत पहले, और उसकी वजह से अभी देखो कितना इनको बेनिफिट मिले हैं कि शी डोंट नीड एनीथिंग एल्स राइट नाउ, नो सर्जरी शी नीड।
मैं कोई सर्जरी कुछ नहीं, मैं सिर्फ मनदीप का हॉट योगा किया और स्लिम ट्रिम हो गई हूँ दोस्तों। तो कमेंट करना बंद करो।
हाँ, सिर्फ हॉट योगा में आ जाओ मनदीप के पास,
हाँ,
तुम्हें पतला कर देगी।
बीमारी, कैंसर जैसी बीमारी, थायराइड।
बहुत सारे ऐसा हमारी जो योगा के अंदर हम जो लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं यहाँ पे, इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर वेट लॉस। मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि पीपल आर कमिंग हियर विद लॉट्स ऑफ इश्यूज, और अभी तो इतना चल रहा है लाइक इन द यंग पीपल आर गोइंग टू कैंसर का प्रॉब्लम रहता है लोगों को, हार्ट के इश्यूज इतने डायबिटीज़ का प्रॉब्लम है, और आपका स्पाइन का इशू, आपका जॉइंट का इशू है। लेकिन 80 और 90% वुमेन्स आर सफरिंग विद द जॉइंट इशू। तो उस चीज़ के लिए हम जब योगा करते हैं तो इट एक्चुअली गिव्स द मैक्सिमम रिलैक्सेशन ऑन द मसल्स। तो आपका टॉक्सिन जब निकल जाते हैं बॉडी के, आपका मसल स्ट्रेंथनिंग होता है, तो आपका बॉडी आपका काम करता है उसी लेवल पे।
रियलिटी शोज़ में मैंने इतने रियलिटी शोज़ किए, मेरे को हार्नेस लगा के फर्स्ट फ्लोर से गिरी हूँ मैं। मेरा बैक का इतना बुरा इंजरीज हो गया था, मेरे को मतलब बैक बैंडिंग नहीं होता था। तो इनका एक स्पेशली वो एक पोज है ऐसा पूरा बैक बैंडिंग का, अगर आप देखें आपने शूट किया है तो माय गॉड, उस दिन के बाद मेरा बैक का प्रॉब्लम ही चला गया, नी का प्रॉब्लम चला गया। एक टांग पे मुझे मेरा फ्रैक्चर है, अभी आज मैं एक टांग पे खड़ी रहती हूँ। तो ये बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है, बीमारी। स्पेशली जब 75 मिनट्स आप योगा करते हैं तो आप एकदम कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं, दुनिया के सारे टेंशन जो हैं वो निकल जाते हैं।
ओके मैम मिका सिंह का भी सॉन्ग लॉन्च हुआ है, 2 शॉट्स आपके अच्छे मित्र क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मिका सिंह को तो एक ही कहूँगी कि उसे ये हॉट योगा की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, वो आके हॉट योगा करे बस। उन्हें हॉट योगा की सख्त ज़रूरत है।
थैंक यू, बुला लेते हैं उनको भी।
Arms together, straight up to the ceiling. All together with the right arm under the left arm, close your arms to the twist and like cross. Bring your legs, hands and palms in front of your face. Pull the elbows down.
Yes.
Come on, everybody. Back straight, shoulders down. Suck the stomach in. Sit down on the chair with the knees together. Upper body back. Pull your side में लेके. Stay down there. Wait for me. Right leg lift up, bring it up the left leg as high as possible. Put the right foot behind the left calf muscle. All 5 toes visible in the front mirror. Arch your upper body back more. No gap between the calf muscle. Come on, muscular guy. Hold the legs. Sit down more. Knees to the right, body to the left. You get everything in one line. Thighs over the thighs, Marina. Knees over the knee. Cover the overlapping. Overlapping. Sit down more. Pull the elbows down more. Shoulders down more. Upper body back at the end and change. Don't forget the posture. Arms up. Palms together. Left arm. Do the hot yoga. Okay? Everybody ready? Left arm up in front of you. Bring the left shoulder to the chin. Knees together to begin with. Please focus. Take a deep breath and charge the body down forward towards the front mirror. Simultaneously, kick the back leg up to the ceiling. Bring the body down from the low spine until the abdominal chest exactly parallel to the floor. Lock the knee. Kick back hard to the 2 feet in one line. Two shoulders in a one line. Very nice. Shoulder radius step up coming out of the body. Kicking and stretching to people simultaneously 50-50. Using the balance is not kicking high now. Body will be balanced to body forward. It should be very nice. Go forward. No tension up. Stretch for more. Touch the mirror. Kick up. Kick up. Kick and turn. Oh my God.
थोड़ा सा मेरे दे दो वरना मेरा पोज गिर जाएगा.
Together, come down until arm, body, head, leg, everything is parallel to the floor. Lock the knee, rock the knee. From the side, your body should look like a T, like a Tom, not like a broken umbrella. Charge the body forward, go and touch the front mirror, body down, leg up. Chest down, leg up. Every muscle contracted. Leg up, leg up, leg up. Point your toes, stomach in. Stretch, 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 and change. Right leg back. Immediately, left leg step forward. Both knees are locked. Arms and head together. Suck your stomach in. Come down. Until arm, body, head, leg. Everything is parallel to the floor. From the side, your body should look like a T, like a Tom. Arms and head together. Keep your arms with your ears. Body forward more. Stretch forward, touch the front mirror. Lift the right leg up. Point your toes, stomach in. Stretch. Go forward, stretch. More stretch and change. Left leg back. Arms down. Stand straight. Breathe through the nose. Don't open your mouth. A big one step, everybody. Arms down, parallel to the floor. Raise up the right foot, turn to the right side, 2.5 inch more. Spine is perfectly straight position. Bend the right leg and sit down until the right thigh femur bone exactly parallel to the floor. Turn the foot, 2.5 inch more. Now bend the right leg and sit down. Sit down, my friend. Sit down, sit down. Make sure you sit down well. That is not more than enough. Make sure right leg should look like upside down, leg line down. Keep your spine straight. Look at yourself. Arms back, body back. Open the chest. Only arms movement. Right elbow in front of the right knee. Sit down from here. Left hand stretch up. Right hand stretch down. Both shoulders. Arms stretching in opposite direction at a natural human traction. Left hip forward. Right knee back. Sit down. Turn and twist. Upper body back like a spine twisting pose. Look up and stretch up. Touch the toes. Left foot flat. Left knee lock. And change. Come back in. Right foot in. Left foot out. Turn 1/2 inch more. The last chance, everybody. Keep your arms there. Bend the left leg and sit down. Quick turn to the right. Move your hip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your hips in a one line pushi. Make sure check yourself in the mirror. Arms and head together. Cheek to the chest and you go down. Forehead to the knee, remember. Matha घुटने से लगाना है विश्वनाथ. Forehead to the knee. Forehead to the knee विश्वनाथ. Forehead to the knee. Matha घुटने से लगाइए. Almost there. Bring your arms up and forward. Body in the front leg. Right hip is taking your sitting to hips in a one line. Forehead to the knee. Suck the stomach in. Push your back knee lock. Now keep the front leg locked. Now keep your both knees locked. Stomach in. Forehead to the knee. Lock the knee. And change. Come back in the same way. Turn to the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the two heels in a one line. Open the legs a little bit.
बाकी है आम्ही सोने का पिलो सोते हुए मतलब ऐसा आराम करते हुए
He's not talking. Vishwanath ki arms down, my
क्या
friend.
तुम लोग करते हैं
Everybody, keep your heels together. Arms touching with your body. Take a long here. Body back from it. Like quick when you have to go. Right hip forward, left shoulder forward. Open, stretch, stretch, change. Face the left side. Last portion, everybody. Come on, finish up.
यस
Left leg in.
बेबी मैं सामने कर रही हूँ
Put the
थोड़ा सामने.
just face that way only, everybody.
मिरर फेसिंग
Left leg bend. Put the right foot over the left knee corner. Sit with this. Right hand back. Spine straight. Ready? Exhale. Breathing. Look back. Look all the way. Way, everybody. Oh, push the other way. Push the other way. Bend the knee, my friend, other way. Yes. Look back and twist. Upper body back and twist. Go back and twist. Twist. Twist and change.
बेबी दरवाजा खोल दो ना
Bend the right side. Put the left foot over
कर
the
दो
right
ना.
knee corner. Sit down on the both hips comfortably. 2 minutes.
दरवाजा खोल दो प्लीज
Left hand up. Push the knee back with the head with the left elbow. Grab the right leg. Sit down.
थोड़ा मिरर दे देना
On the chair. Sit down, everybody. Dushi, fantastic. Stomach in. Left leg up. Bring it on the right leg. Put the left foot behind the right calf muscle. All 5 is visible in the front mirror. Focus on the back. Your body should have a short man with a long spine. Keep your face normal. Happy smiling face. Arch your upper body back. Get the stomach in. Very important posture for your digestive system. Everybody needs to the body to the right. Pull the elbows down. Flushing out of the kidney. Suck the stomach in. Sit down. More upper body back at the end. Change. Arms up.
Oh.
Palms together.
Pani.
Arms down by your side. Water break.
वाटर ब्रेक
Down towards the left shoulder. Avoiding the ribcage. Now shoulder down towards the chest. Come on, everybody. Chin flat on the floor. Sit up, everybody. Feet together. Arms up. Inhale. Quick up. Double exhale. Stand up on the knees for the camel posture. Ushtarasana. Very good. First of all,
सबसे नीचे
create 6 inches gap between the knees, 6 inches gap between the feet.